Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Toyota Yaris. First, ensure your car's ignition is in the ACK or ON position so the clock display is active. Look for the clock on your dashboard, usually integrated into the audio system or a separate small screen. You will then need to find the H and M buttons, typically located directly below or next to the clock display. These buttons are crucial for adjusting the hours and minutes. Now, let's adjust the time. To set the hour, repeatedly press the H button until you reach the correct hour. If you need to change the hour significantly, you can hold down the H button and the hours will cycle through more quickly. Once the hour is correct, move on to the minutes. Use the M button in the same way, pressing it repeatedly to advance the minutes until they match the current time. After setting both the hour and minutes, take a moment to confirm the time. Some Yaris models might have a 12-hour display, so ensure you have the correct AM or PM selected if that's an option. Once the precise time is showing on the display, simply release the H and M buttons. The clock system in your Toyota Yaris will automatically save these new settings, and your clock will now be accurate. So, setting the time on your Toyota Yaris is quite straightforward, primarily using just two buttons. Remember to always ensure your ignition is on to access the clock settings. Keeping your car's clock accurate helps you stay on schedule and is a small but important part of vehicle maintenance. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.